If you're able to solve this S.A.T math question, honestly, you might be able to get an 800 because it's one of the most complex I've seen. So in the XY plane above, math is a rhombus and line L passes through point A and H. Which of the following is the equation of line L? So we know that the figure is a rhombus, and I'm going to draw another rhombus so that you understand. In a rhombus, there's always two lines that are parallel because there's like a 90-degree angle, so we know it's parallel. And so what that means is that in the rhombus in the question, the other line is parallel to the line that passes by 1, 1, and 7, 11 because there's a right angle there. So now what we need to do is to find the slope of the MT line, basically. And to find the slope of a linear equation, we do y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So that's 1 minus 11 divided by 1 minus 7. So now we know that the slope is 1.67, which is 5 divided by 3, so 5/3. So to find the line that's perpendicular to that, we reverse the denominator in the denominator, so that it becomes 3 divided by 5, and we make it negative, so it's negative 3/5. So we already know that B isn't the answer, but now we need to find the K of the function L. But here's the thing with rhombuses. We know that these two lines are equal because they meet in the middle. So it's also true for the small lines. Now, the small lines aren't the same length as the big lines. Well, they can, but not necessarily. But the two lines that go in the same direction are equal. So that means that at the center right there, we can find a point that lies on line L, and with that we can find K. So we know that the x of the center is the average between 1 and 7, which is 4. So whatever y value the mt function has at x equals 4, the L function has the same y value at x equals 4. So we know that the slope of line mt is 5/3, and that when x equals 1, y also equals 1. So if we do minus 5/3, it gives us the k of the function mt to be minus 2/3. So now we know that at x equals 4, we can use decimals to find it. We know that it's equal to 6. So then to find the k of function L, we just do 4 times minus 3/5 plus x, which is supposed to be k, equals 6. And it gives us 8.4, which is the equivalent of 42 divided by 5, meaning that the answer is D. So if you pick D, congrats.